Awesome. I'm going to show you 2 really powerful ways that you can start getting consistent reviews on your Amazon product from your customers, consistent positive 5-star reviews. And if you stay around to the end, I'm going to show you a third way, a very sneaky way that's going to double the amount of reviews that you get. So, what are the 3 ways? If you want to jump in, hit that like button below. I'm trying to make these videos as efficient, as effective as possible, just getting all the information from my head into yours to give you all the tools and knowledge you need to crush your Amazon FBA journey. So let's jump in. The first thing you can do, and I want to go through the Amazon regulations and rules with you so you're not breaking their terms of service and not putting your seller account in jeopardy. So you're not allowed to ask directly for a 5-star review or a positive review. You have to ask for an honest review is the key. You're also not allowed to capture Amazon customer data. You're not allowed to go out there and ask for a review in return for an email address, in return for a Facebook chatbot contact, in return for a free product. There's nothing that can be given in return for a review, so you can't sway your reviews in either of those 2 ways. And when you know these things, you can play by their rules, but still maximize the amount of reviews that you're going to get without putting your account in jeopardy. So the first one, you must have a product insert in your product. If you are selling on Amazon and you don't have a package insert, you're wasting a lot of advertising and real estate space where you can literally come in here and get someone to design you an insert, give that insert to your supplier and say, hey, can you please include this in our next order? The supplier shouldn't charge you for it. They're very, very cheap to be done if you're ordering quite a bit of products. If not, they may charge you a couple of dollars, maybe $20, $30 to get this done. And inside every single one of your products, you'll now have an insert that is asking for reviews, meaning everyone who gets your product, they're going to get it, they're going to see the insert, and they're going to go to Amazon and more likely to review your product. That's going to increase your reviews. Remember, don't ask for a 5-star, ask for an honest review. And remember, don't give anything in return for that review. So, a lot of people are actually doing that, by the way. And that's why I'm stressing here. A lot of people are breaking the terms of service. So if you do want to break the terms of service, make sure that you know what you're actually doing when you're doing it. And at the moment, I don't know if Amazon are cracking down on that, but I just don't recommend that you do that. The second really powerful option is whenever people buy your product, say you're getting 100 sales a day, you're getting the chance to get 100 reviews a day. Now, on average, people are going to review your product probably 1% of the time, which is insanely low, which means you're going to get 1 review every single day. So it's going to take 100 days to get your first 100 reviews. So something like Feedback Whiz can double or triple that rate, because Feedback Whiz, what it does is it waits until your item has been delivered to your customer. And once they've got it, it'll send them an email, all within Amazon's terms of service, saying, hey, I see that you've received your product. How do you like it? Do you mind leaving us a review? And if they don't immediately leave a review, it can actually follow up 2 days later and say, hey, I noticed you haven't left a review yet. Do you mind sharing your honest feedback, not 5-star feedback, with our community, and link them directly there? So you've got inserts, which means that's going to increase the 1%, because what percentage of people are going to pick that up? Like, oh, I do like that. Let's leave them a review. Maybe another 1% there. And then what percentage of people are going to log on, see their emails, see that they've got a direct link to leave a review, and they're going to click on this. Now, I recommend Feedback Whiz because it's free for your first product, so you can start a free trial. I'll link this up in the description. Excuse me. Jungle Scout, if you already pay for Jungle Scout, they also have this built in for as many products as you want. So I'd recommend using Jungle Scout for that. The other one I use, which I've had good success with, is Feedbacks with a Z on the end. And these are all tools that are going to really increase your reviews, but not spike your reviews, not give you a massive spike, but consistently get you 3 to 4 reviews a day, which is what you want. You want that consistency and that growth. Now, the final review tip for rewarding you for staying to this end of this video is making sure you know there's 2 types of feedback people can leave. They can leave a seller review and a product review. Now, Amazon only ever ask customers to leave a seller review. So if someone buys your product, Amazon will be like, hey, how did you like that seller? They'll leave you as a seller a review, which won't be shown on your product. However, you can message the people who leave you seller reviews and say, do you mind copying and pasting this into a product review as it helps our small business? And a lot of people, maybe 30% of those people, are then going to copy and paste their seller reviews, which they took the time to leave, and put them into product reviews, which is going to give you a massive initial boost, especially if you go back through all those reviews right now. You may go and get an extra 50 reviews for your product in the next couple of days. So I hope that helps. Please subscribe. Please like this video. We have a lot of amazing content to help you build your business to $10,000 plus a month. So I'm glad that we're on the journey together. And don't forget to watch another video. I'll put them on this end screen right here.